You'd expect him to do better here, look. But he can't quite get his feet right, and I think, listen, he's ended up on the turf, which, by the way, if we just pause it there, look, the green grass there, look, it's beautiful, so lush. It takes real skill to nurture and maintain a grass surface to that standard. I reckon they might have done an advanced sports turf technician apprenticeship, and here they are, performing on the biggest stage. Oh, he's got to pass that. It's a great save in the end. 2 save, double save. He's in a world of pain now. Look at him rolling over. He'll need some medical attention, no doubts, but he's calling them on. There they come, look. They're so important for the club. Medics, physios, sports scientists and masseurs, all of them contribute so much to any successful club. And if I had to guess, I'd say doing a qualification like a health T level at 16 could just about get you there. Wonderful pass, great weight on it. What a miss. He will be getting a text from me after that. That's disgraceful. You've got to put this down to tiredness, I'm sure. But let's drill down into some of the numbers, guys. He's run 6.8 kilometres, and it's not even half time, by the way. And we know that because of the data analysts at the club. They're the ones that collect every piece of information you can imagine of the player's performance. And with that, they can work out how to get those little 1%ers, the marginal gains a team needs to compete. The person responsible here has probably taken on something like a data analyst apprenticeship, and you can see how well it worked out for them, can't you? Even if it didn't work out as well for the striker there. There he is, he's just placing the ball. Let's see what he's got, eh? Is he the guy? Oh, yes, he is. Wow, absolutely wonderful, top class. I could look at that again and again, I'm telling you. And I'm not talking about the free kick, I'm talking about that shirt. There's every chance that that designer behind it would have done a fashion and textiles product technologist apprenticeship or something similar to that. And it shows, by the way. It's a lovely shirt. When players look good, they feel good. And when they feel good, they play even better. If I could give my man of the match to anyone, it would be the shirt designer. Here they go from the corner, guys. He's just talking to the crowd. They look at him. Looks happy just to be there, the fella. Good ball. Oh, what a header. Hey, what a header. That's what you paid for there. Look, by the way, it's worth pointing out, yeah, the delivery from the corner and the header take a huge amount of skill, but so does that camera work. They've managed to swing around there from about 100 metres away and zoom in on him. It's perfect. That takes so much work and training, the sort of thing a T-level in media, broadcast and production would help with.